I thought I'd test this idea. I have a little project set up here on the screen, and it's in the edge-to-edge mode. So I have it all adjusted here, and it fits inside the boundary just fine. I'm going to toggle this as sewn as if I had actually stitched this out, and do something and see how well it works, if it works. So I have that first row stitched, even though I didn't stitch it, it's toggled as stitched. Now I'm going to select all and do a relocate. Now if I go to relocate, I know that I can't shift all to one point. At least I don't believe that will work. But since I have this selected, I can shift selected to one point. So I'll do that. It's just click on a known point on the CAD. Now I wish, and I couldn't get this to work. I'll turn down, go down here, turn on the end snap, and it won't do that. It won't snap to that like it does on because I have everything selected, and that's why it won't work. But I can zoom in, and I can place my mouse right there at that point if my mouse is going to work. No, it's not. Okay. Now, again, I'm going to try this. Escape out of all of this. Select all. Okay, I'll do it a different way. I'll do it this way. I'll have all selected. I don't want those end anchors like that. I want that. Now, again, I'll right click. I will relocate, shift selected to one point, and let's see if I can make this work. Okay, I'll zoom way in and put my mouse right there, click. It says do this, yes. I will escape to get out of that. Okay, apparently I have something that is outside the boundary. I'll look real close, and I think it's probably right there. Select that, move this a little bit inside. Okay, there it is. It's worked. I'm still in the edge-to-edge mode, so yeah, that does work. So I'm going to toggle this one as sewn. All of this is sewn, this whole row, and do it differently and see what happens. Okay, now I'll select everything on the screen. I will right click, relocate, shift all to one point. Okay, what does it say? Use relocate, converts this from edge to edge to repeat patterns. Okay, no, I don't want to do that, see? So you can't use shift all to one point. You have to use shift selected, relocate, shift selected to one point. And again, I will just click on the point that I want to use. Zoom in here. I'll click on this point right there and click yes. Okay, escape out of that. I'll have to select this. I'm going to move both of these over a little bit. All of these over. Okay, move it over so that it's within the boundary. All right, that worked. That worked. Now I can toggle this one as sewn, and you see this works. I didn't know that this worked, but it works. So that's something that you can use if you're in the edge-to-edge mode and you want to use Relocate. You can do it that way. Remember, you have to select everything on the screen, and then you have to use Relocate Shift Selected to one point. And the point you want to use is the next row, the start point of the next row that is going to quilt. So that's this row. I'll just click on it. Click yes. And I have to make sure that everything is in fact inside the boundary. If it isn't, it won't start. There it is. So that works. That's how it works. Didn't know that.